Right? So we have Mr. Sanaullah. Guys, we have Mr. Sanaullah, and the topic we have sisters marriage, no, brothers marriage. Brothers marriage. Okay, guys, we are I have two speakers here on the stage. Left of me, Mr. Mayank Kumar is there, and he is the friend of Mr. Sanaullah. So Sanaullah right of me, and Mr. Mayank Kumar is left of me. Both are friends. Both are friends. There is a marriage of Mr. Sanaullah brothers. There is a marriage of Sanaullah's brother. Clear all? So there is a marriage of Sanaullah's brother, and you are going to invite your friend Mr. Mayank Kumar in the marriage. It's okay all? And his brother I am. Elder brother, I am his. Clear all?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
So action. Yes.
Yes, hello friend.
Hi,
How are you?
fine, and you?
I'm also fine.
Speak with the sound.
I am also fine.
I am also
Fine.
fine.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Speak again.
What are you doing
What are you doing
now?
now?
What are you doing now?
मैं कुछ खास नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am not
I am not.
sound
I am not
doing
doing
anything special.
anything.
Special. तुम देख रहे हो कितनी ठंडी है.
You are seeing
You see how cold
how cold.
it is.
It is.
बस घर पे ठंडी का मजा ले रहा हूँ.
Only I am
Being at the home,
being at the home,
enjoying
Enjoying.
the cold.
the cold.
Good, good.
Good.
मजे करो.
Enjoy.
मैं किसी खास काम से तुमसे मिलने आया हूँ.
I meet you.
मैं आया हूँ.
I came meet.
I have come
I have come meet you.
To meet you.
To meet you.
with some
with some
special
work.
work. Repeat.
I have come to meet you
With some
with some
special work. क्या?
What?
कौन सा खास काम?
Which what
What special work?
what specific?
Actually, I have to come.
Repeat.
Actually, I have come to meet you
And
and
invite you.
invite you.
Repeat the sentence.
Actually, I have come to meet you
and
invite you.
Invite you. I have come to meet you and invite you. Invitation.
Invitation.
क्यों?
Why?
क्या तू शादी कर रहा है?
You are a marriage.
Are you marrying?
Are you marrying?
Are you marrying?
No, no.
Sorry.
Sorry.
मैं शादी कैसे कर सकता हूँ?
How
How can I?
can I get married?
Oh, no. How can I marry?
How can I
Marry. तुम्हें तो पता है
You know
already
already.
मेरा जो बड़ा भाई है वो अभी तक कुमारा है.
My elder brother is
Is unmarried
Unmarried
till now.
till now.
उनकी शादी के बगैर मैं कैसे शादी कर सकता हूँ?
how can
Without his marriage.
his marry? How can
Marriage.
marriage?
दो वर्ड है, एक मैरी शादी करना, दूसरा है मैरिज नाउन शादी, है ना. तो उनके शादी के बगैर, तो विदाउट हिज मैरिज
Yes.
मैं कैसे शादी कर सकता हूँ?
How can I marry?
हाउ कैन आई
Marry.
मैरी. दोनों में अंतर नहीं समझ रहे आप. देखिए MARRY मैरी, मैरी मतलब शादी करना, तो ये वर्ब है. और मैरिज MARRIAGE मैरिज शादी, तो शादी कर रहा है, तो मैरिंग, ही इज मैरिंग.
Without his marriage,
I cannot
I cannot
marry. I cannot marry. Oh,
Okay.
मैं समझ सकता हूँ.
I understand.
I can
I
understand.
can understand.
यही सोच के तो मैं परेशान हूँ. मेरे 3 भाई बड़े कुमारे हैं. यही सोचकर मैं परेशान हूँ. Thinking all these
Thinking all.
या thinking this,
Thinking this.
मैं परेशान हूँ.
I am
Worried.
worried.
क्यों?
Why?
तेरे तो सिर्फ एक भाई कुमारे हैं, मेरे तो 3 भाई लाइन से कुमारे हैं.
You have
You're only one brother.
you have only one brother.
You're only one brother.
Your only brother.
one brother,
your only one brother,
sound,
your only one brother
is unmarried.
is unmarried.
मेरे तो 3 भाई कुमारे हैं. I have 3 brothers
I have a 3 brothers.
unmarried.
Unmarried.
3 के शादी के बाद मेरा नंबर आएगा.
3
After the marriage of 3 brothers
after the marriage
of
of 3 brothers,
मेरा नंबर आएगा.
then
My number will come.
will number.
तेरा तो कम से कम 1 के बाद आ जाएगा. Your will come
Your will come
at least
at least
after 1.
after 1.
भाई मैं तुम्हें अपने भाई की शादी में दावत देने आया हूँ.
Brother, I have to come.
अरे तू क्यों लगा रहा है?
I have
हाँ मैं I have come
invite
to invite you in my
brother marriage.
repeat.
I have to come. I have come to invite you
in my
in my
brother's marriage. तो तुम्हारे भाई की शादी है.
Your
हाँ सो मैं तुम्हें दावत देने आया हूँ.
I have come
to invite
you
you
my
to
brother.
हाँ repeat.
I have come to invite you
in my brother's
marriage.
marriage. हाँ
okay.
sound,
Okay.
no problem.
No problem.
दे दो.
Give
me.
Give me.
मैं आऊँगा.
I am coming.
I will come.
I will come.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Sound.
Thank you very much.
कब है शादी?
When
is
is marriage
of your brother.
of your brother?
Repeat.
When is marriage?
When is the marriage
When is the marriage
of your brother?
of your brother?
My brother marriage is 20.
You understand, huh? Yes, sir. Good. You only understand more. They are not understand. Okay, you are also understanding. I'm so sorry. Yes.
My brother marriage
Is
2020 February.
okay. My brother marriage is on 22nd February.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, fine, no problem.
Okay, fine, no problem.
मैं आ जाऊंगा.
I am coming.
मैं
I
आज
will come.
हाँ शादी दरभंगा से होगा या तेरे गांव से?
Sadi is
The marriage. No problem.
The marriage is going.
The marriage will be
The marriage will be
from Darbhanga
from Darbhanga
or from
from
your village.
Your village.
From Darbhanga.
तू अच्छा है मेरे लिए.
Then
It is good for me.
it is good for me.
तेरे गांव से होता तो मुझे प्रॉब्लम होता.
From your village.
If it were
If it were
from your village,
from your village.
मुझे प्रॉब्लम होता. I would, ये नॉर्मल सेंटेंस नहीं है, कंडीशनल है, बढ़ाएंगे आपको 2 महीने के बाद. I would get problem.
I would get problem.
It's okay.
It's okay.
शादी दिन का है तो सवेरे 10 बजे तक तुम आ जाइयो.
Marriage
Is of
of day.
day. इसलिए
So
तुम 10 बजे तक आ जाइयो.
you come.
You will come
Come till
by 10
o'clock.
o'clock. It's okay. बारात कहाँ जाएगी?
Where is it?
Your sound is going slower and slower. His sound is going slower and slower का मतलब इसका आवाज धीरे धीरे और धीरा होता जा रहा है. Sound. बारात कहाँ जाएगी?
Where is
Where will
the
Bharat
the Bharat
go?
Bharat
Will go to
Rasulpur.
Rasulpur. No problem. Rasulpur is the Donar and opposite side. Say loudly. The Bharat will go to
Rasulpur.
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 यहाँ पे here only.
Here only.
मैं डायरेक्टली बारात में पहुंच जाऊंगा. I will reach directly in Bharat only.
in Bharat.
नहीं,
No.
तुम यहाँ आओगे.
You come here.
You will come
You will
here.
come here.
I mean तुम मेरे घर पे आओगे.
It mean you will
I
come,
mean
you will come in my home.
You will come at my home. वहाँ से हम लोग साथ जाएंगे.
From there we will go to the Bharat
From there we will go together.
together.
Repeat.
From there we will go to
Together. It's okay, no problem.
It's okay, no problem.
एक क्वेश्चन पूछूं क्या? May I ask you
May I ask you
one question?
One question.
पूछ.
Ask.
तेरी भाभी कैसी दिखती है? तेरी भाभी कैसी दिखती है? How does your sister-in-law look? How does your sister-in-law look? अरे दिखती तो अच्छी है.
Looking.
She looks good.
She looks good.
Very good.
Very good.
लेकिन
But
तुम्हें क्या फर्क पड़ता है इससे? Right or not? What does
What does
it make
it make
difference
Difference
to you?
to you.
नहीं, I'm just पूछ रहा हूँ कि भाभी कैसी होगी, अच्छी होगी कि नहीं होगी. I'm just asking.
I'm just asking.
भाभी कैसी है?
Your
How is
how is
sister-in-law?
sister-in-law?
नहीं नहीं, बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत है.
She is very beautiful.
मेरे भाई ने खुद से सिलेक्ट किया है. इसका भाई कौन है पता है ना? ओ या थैंक यू. मेरे भाई ने खुद से सिलेक्ट किया है.
My
My brother has
selected
himself.
himself.
Oh, that's okay.
That's okay.
फिर तो पक्का खूबसूरत ही होगी. Then she must be
She must be
the most beautiful.
the most beautiful.
Yes.
Yes.
ठीक है, शादी में जब तू आना ना तो देख लेना. जब तू
Okay.
शादी में आना, when you come
When you come
in the marriage,
in the marriage,
तू देख लेना.
you
See. It's okay.
Okay.
मैं जाऊँ क्या? लेट हो रहा हूँ, मुझे औरों को दावत देना है.
may I go?
I'm getting
I'm
late.
getting late.
मुझे और sound is going ना? If not going, then you can come close. You have the space there also, here also, and there also. By choice, you are sitting far. Right or not? Okay, मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ.
I am getting late.
मुझे औरों को दावत देना है. I have to
I
invite
have to invite
others
others
also.
also.
तुम जा सकते हो.
You can go.
Sound,
You can go.
more sound.
You can go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Can we all clap for them?